what is up everyone, and this is Christmas Eve and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. So starting off with, we have a new set of releases which Tarmac is bringing out, and probably it's gonna be a good Christmas this time. And first in line, we have a new set of regulars which Tarmac is releasing in 2021, and actually they are already on pre-order from the resellers and distributors that they have, and also they will be in the web store available in the future. So starting off with the first, what we have in line is the RWB Tiffany Blue. So actually talking about the Tiffany Blue RWB, PGM released the Tiffany Blue RWB around few months ago, and I actually did a review on that, so that is available on our previous videos if you guys want to check it out. And this is the first Tiffany Blue RWB 964. Moving on to the next, again we have another RWB 993. This is the Rough Passion RWB, and this is in deep blue. Actually one of the RWBs, the Rough Passion RW, was released by Timothy and Perry, and it came out as a limited edition, which is I think 600 pieces worldwide. So Tarmac is bringing out that model as well. So these actually will be available from May 2021, which is the released month. So we are hoping to see it very soon, and I'll definitely be getting it down to my channel as well. Moving away from RWBs, next what we have in line is the Nissan GTR Nismo GT3, the winner of LOR Livery Contest 2020. So this is actually coming up in Feb 2021, and this is coming up as a 164 scale, and this will be available only 1248 pieces worldwide, and this is actually based on the Singapore Championship contest for liveries, and hope this will be out on Feb. And pre-orders are all released for their resellers and distributors, so you guys, if you are in contact with a distributor or reseller, you guys can order it now. And to finish off the video in style for Christmas, we got another RWB from Tarmac. So this is the Costa Cycles RWB 930. So this is another announcement, came up yesterday through Tarmac, and this is gonna be in the white livery, and this is due on Jan. So this will be the first RWB to be released on 2021. And as always, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news. And hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas, and hope you guys enjoyed the video as well. See you guys on another video very soon.